It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Yung sa labas mo. Our last agenda. Diba?
Yes.
Last agenda.
My serving table is noodles. Within 15 minutes, please serving table. Okay, thank you.
We're done eating.
Tapos na namin, guys. Busog na
Anong
kami.
masasabi mo? Di ba ako yung nag-aya sa'yo nito?
Yeah.
Ilang years nang nakalipas.
3 years, I guess. Ano talaga, mga bandang January naman.
Yeah.
Haze now is coming today. 뭘 준비하면 돼? 널 반길 준비는 okay. 회색 canvas 위에 fallen. 네가 덮어주면 돼. 세상을 내게 줄게. 차가운 계절 속에 내가 오는 건 이벤트. 내 블루 앵글을 녹여줄 따뜻한 내게. Oh oh oh. Christmas without you it's just not real Christmas at all. Bright mistletoes above us, it's just you and me.
Sneak up the feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Dashing through the snow, one horse open sleigh. All earthly we go. All of the fireworks, all of the sweet life, everything that
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and sunlights that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Nabigyan na ako. Nabigyan na ako.
Good job! Wow. Pinig pa naman ako sa pagtulog.
Ito galing. Caitlin.
Toys are never restored, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of happy lumpers and a pistol that shows it's the wish of Bonnie and Ben. Those that are talking a call for the work is the whole book, Janice and Jen.
Pwede yung ano.
And mom and dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Hi, Violet! I love it!
Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that I make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
Tingin ko nga sa box rin sa wala ka, di ano ka? Cash? Teka, ano na to? Kay Tita Daisy ko yung bigay?
Pinakita na ni Sudan, nasa video.
Salamat! I love you! Si Daddy nagkaka pa! Akala niyo meron siya? Wala ka! Biglang nalungkot.
Nasa ano sa video.
Sino ba siya? Wala. Sad siya.
Sad siya talaga.
Wala siyang pera. Happy niya kanya sa ampaw. Akin na. Wala ko.
Meron, hindi naman siya.
Nalungkot! Nalungkot!
Wala daw siya cash.
Hindi, meron si Kiano.
Nakakatina! Nag-Gcash, nag-notif. Tignan mo sa ano. Hintayin mo naman. Hintay oh. Magpindot. Ganun lang ganun, no? Nagla-loading, oh.
Picturean mo. Picturean mo.
Kanina, magkano laman ng Gcash mo?
Sabihan rin.
Ngayon? Wala pa.
700 pa rin. Gagawin ka ng Gcash! Nag-aangat din ng pera.
Sa PTO yun. Huwag kang mag-jikas-jikas.
Nakahawak pa dyan kayo.
Nandun yun, kaya lang... Nulundag na yung kalabaw eh.
Oh, masaya na si Lolo, si Kukwere.
Ayaw. Ingat-gatin mo. Arte.
Graduate, patunugin mo.
Oh, yeah.
Sabihin mo, Yamin.
Sulit naman na ilang biyahe.
Yan.
Ututang kita dyan, ano?
Kaiden. Oo, Kaiden. Kaiden, doon na.
Mas backup daw! Bantayan na yung mga gamit!
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys and eggs the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. 어폐랑 한불렁 부산 앞에서 the shows is the wish your Bonnie and Ben. Those that are talking a car for the work is the hope of Janice and Jen. And mom and dad can hardly wait for school.